Hey guys, I'm here at my mom's husband's house and I'm digging the ground and with my metal detector. Well, not digging it with it, but I have a shovel. Anyway, I'm getting an 81 signal. I don't know if that's good or bad. Still learning my metal detector. So I'll pause this and I'll get ready to show you guys what's coming out. Alright guys, I don't have a small shovel or gloves today, but it's right in here somewhere. Oh, right there. Let's see. Looks like a dime. I'll have to clean it up, guys. See if I can see a date. No. 94 or 84. Either way, that's cool to find a dime. I haven't found any change for a long time. Alright, get back to you. Back with another find, guys. I don't know what it is yet. It's in this side of the hole. Sorry about my camera work. Oh, there it is. Right there. What is it today? It's another stinking Lincoln. It's better than nothing. Alright guys, I'll get back to you. Oh, there it is. Another stinking Lincoln. Yeah, there you go. Anyway, get back to you in a minute, guys. Alright guys, this is my next target, and there's a piece of metal down in here. Oh, you know what that is? That's actually like a bottle opener, but it's all bent up. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, I think it's a bottle opener. Some sort. Alright, get back with you guys on the next find. Okay guys, my next target, for some reason, I found a fishing weight. It was right there in that hole. And there's a hole up here at the top. Looking for a little while, and I just found another coin. And it's another Lincoln. There you go. Something's better than nothing. We'll add it to the collection, clean them up later, and have a wrap-up video. That was a deep one. It was underneath these roots down here. So, anyway, get back to you. Okay guys, that last Zinkin Lincoln is in my pocket, and it's raining so hard. My phone, my metal detector, and myself are drenched. So I'm going to call it a day for today, and we will talk to you soon. Alright, I'll give you guys a wrap up as soon as I get it clean. Alright, take it easy. Hey guys, I told you I'd get back to you with a wrap up, and Metal Detecting Finds 2022 Halloween Day. So my first coins that I found were a 1968D, and the other one was a 1972, a 1973D, and then a 2005D and a 2006D penny, and then over here 1994D penny or nickel. And then over here we've got a fishing lead 3-ounce weight. We've got an iron clamp for a pipe. And that's my finds for today. I haven't been metal detecting for a while, so I thought I would make this one and post it today. So have a good one, and this is your wrap up. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching.